Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fresh lemongrass tea recipe. This is very healthy and you would love to be drinking this tea all the time. It has a great health benefit that is good for the body and helps in so many ways. So I am going to put this together as we see how it comes out. And so let's get started right away. Okay, so this fresh lemongrass tea recipe that we are going to be making today, I have 3 fresh lemongrass, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold these like this. And if you want to know how to store a fresh lemongrass, I did a video on that and that will come up for you. You can see how you can store a fresh lemongrass and use it all year round. So that, and then I am going to fold this as well, just like that. It's a little flaky, so when you are wrapping it, you will be seeing that it's falling off, but that's okay. And then we are going to use a piece of ginger in the boiling. So what I do is to infuse the lemongrass, what you have to do is just pound it. And by that, you infuse the flavor out of it before. And then you can see, and then the ginger. And then you see the ginger, you just smash it like that, and that is done. And all we have to do, I'm just going to put this in the pan with the lemongrass, and we're going to add 3 cups of water. So we have 3 cups of water, and I'm going to set this on the fire here, and we're just going to let this boil 5 to 6 minutes for the tea, and it's on heat. So we're going to leave this to boil 5 to 6 minutes, and our tea should be ready for us. So our fresh lemongrass tea has boiled down. I boiled this for almost 5.5 minutes. So you can do it 5 to 6 minutes, and we are going to take it off and strain it. Alright, so you can see our tea is nicely boiled, and I'm going to strain this. You can see the smell, the flavor. It's so amazing, and I love this a lot. Look at that green color. This is all from the lemongrass. This is amazing. And you can always boil that back and throw it away. All that can be boiled again for another tea. Look at the color. And we're just splitting this in 3 different cups, and we can strain more in here. Alright, so once this is done, and our 3 ways of this tea, it depends on you what you want to add into the tea. So I'm going to add a fresh lemon to this one here. Just squeeze one half lemon in here. And that's all you need. And lemongrass all boosts your immune system. It's good for cold and flu. It has so much medicinal in there. And then our next one, how you can drink lemongrass tea with ginger, is either with just fresh lemon juice like we just squeeze in here, or you can add a honey to it. And this is just 1 glass of honey. I'm gonna pour in here, so you can see 1 glass of honey, and you can have that with your tea. So you can either choose to add lemon juice in this as well as you do it, or you can just choose to just drink this like that. And then our next way that you can drink that you can drink the fresh lemongrass tea is you can use milk, and that's just the way you want it, like that. And we're just gonna stir, and you can add sugar to this if you want, or you can just drink it like that. So this is the 3 ways you can make fresh lemongrass tea. So we have one that we just add lemon juice, half fresh lemon juice, and we have this that we just added honey. And with the one honey, you can always add a fresh lemon juice if you want. And then we just have the one that we add milk, and then you can just add a little bit of sugar to your taste, and you can drink this either way that you want. But lemongrass tea is very, very healthy for you. It boosts your immune system. It helps with cold and flu, and it helps in your digestive system. So it is really good to have this drink. So I'm going to taste all of them, and I'll let you know how it tastes like. I did not put sugar in this, but you can always add sugar, or you can drink it like that. You can make it any way you want. So we just finished making the fresh lemongrass tea with ginger, and so I'm going to give it a taste. The lemon juice, you can taste that with the lemongrass, and then the flavor that comes out of it is so refreshing. And then we made one that all I did was I just added honey to this one. This one is so lovely. And with the honey one, you can also add a lemon juice to it. It's just the taste you want, and this is so amazing. It's refreshing when you drink it. And then you can make it a different way if you just want to add milk to it. With this, I did not add sugar. You still taste the lemongrass in it, but the milk is a little bit overpowering the taste of the lemongrass that you want to, when you drink it, you want to feel. But this is up to you. You can add sugar to it. There's no sugar in this one, but you can still get all the benefit that the lemongrass has. So that is up to you. You can make your lemongrass tea anyhow you want. So that is the 3 ways you can make your fresh lemongrass tea. So I hope this video helps you anyway. My favorite of all these tea is this with lemon juice. So this one, just add a lemon juice to it because I love honey a lot with all the benefits in honey. And also the lemon juice, the vitamin C, plus the lemongrass, it's amazing. So I add fresh lemon and then lemongrass tea with honey. All goes together. I love to drink this a lot. So I hope this helps you anyway. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you on my next video. And I hope you make this fresh lemongrass tea. Its recipe is very, very healthy. And so I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.